all began with a challenge. Jack Taylor was approached by a local school because they've got problems with the false fire alarms, alarm systems going off all the time. The fire chief there was on the point of going to charge the school. So Jack Taylor went in there, designed what became the very first stopper. The stopper was born. And since then, it's gone on from strength to strength. We sell all over the world. If you visit various airports in Dubai, in anywhere in the Middle East and into Asia, you will actually see his product protecting the call points right around the world, and in fact pull stations in the USA. So yes, it's a truly global company. Obviously there's been changes to the original stopper. We've had to evolve as a company with the changes in technology and different types of fire systems that have evolved. And as such, we now have somewhere in excess of 1,000 products, both in the fire and the security markets. So we've got keypad covers, we've got wire cages, we've got items that protect fire extinguishers, doors. We are the go-to company for problems associated with false fire alarms and protection within the industry. We've been around a long time. We are the market leaders already. We want to make sure that we continue to be the market leaders.
I think FIREX gives the industry and certainly STI an opportunity to showcase its products, both current and new. And in addition, it's a great place to socialise with people who obviously we know in the industry, but networking is so important, and that's the key factor with a show such as this. Always attracts the major players, and in our role very much as a support industry to the major players in the fire industry, we find it increasingly beneficial to certainly to demonstrate exactly what we have on offer today.